Take that, Hulk!
You're strong, little web slinger.
He really got you there, Bruce.
Are you sure this is structurally sound?
Relax, Bruce. It's fine.
Can I get the chocolate milkshake?
Careful there, little web slinger. Don't spill the good stuff.
He's trying his best with those gloves.
I almost got it.
Last chance for official gear. Get your Spider-Man shirts here!
Wow, this is incredible.
I want the green foam fists.
Welcome to the main event, folks! Get ready for Spider-Man versus Joker!
Let's go, Spider-Man!
Yeah! Go, Spidey! Go! 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 Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event.
All right, you two. We went over the rules. Protect yourselves at all times, and let's get it on.
Remember the strategy. Hit hard. You got this, Spidey.
He looks weak. Tear him apart slowly, Joker. Make him suffer.
All right, fighters. Shake hands. Keep it clean. Box on.
6, 7. One, two, three, four. And that's a knockout. Yeah, Spidey, we won! Hooray! We did it, guys! We won!
And the winners, by knockout, are your new champions, Spider-Man and the Incredible Hulk.
Easy there. You took quite the fall. Are you all right? How many fingers am I holding up? Do you know where you are? We have to stop the match. He's unable to continue. Drink it slow. We've only got 60 seconds until the next round.
Just relax. Keep breathing.
Nonsense. I can keep going. That tickled. Now if you'll excuse us, we have a match to win.
He's vulnerable on the counter. Hit hard and fast with the Reality Stone combo.
Mouthpiece in, let's go!
Now go finish this, Joker.
Breathe through the nose. Keep that ice on the jaw. We got 15 seconds left.
Get ready. Look who's back in the game, boys! The show's just getting started. Keep the pressure on him. Watch the counter.
All right, that's it. Clear the corners.
Keep it clean in there. I want a fair fight, observe the rules. Touch him up and come out swinging.
And Spider-Man connects with a massive jab. Look at the power display there! Missed me, Webhead. Try again. Come on, Spidey. Is that all you got? All right, you two. Keep it clean, or I'm calling it.
Use your feet, Webhead. Move to the center.
Look at him, folks. He's completely dazed. Ow, poor little spider.
Stop! That's a foul. No knees in the ring.
Oh, lighten up, ref. It's just a little chaos.
The winner by knockout is the Joker.
Oh my word, he's done it! Spider-Man is down for the count!
1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. We have a new champion.
He's out. We have a new champion.
That's it, folks! We have a knockout!
Yes, the champion is defeated at last.
8,
9, 10, and the winner! And the official result is in. A stunning upset tonight as the victor, taking 7, 8, 9, 10. The winner and new heavyweight champion of the world.
Who's the champion now, Spidey? And that's the fight. It is all over. The winner by knockout and the new heavyweight champion, the Joker.
Yeah, we did it. Put that belt on me. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new champion, the Joker. Who's the king of the ring now? We did it, everyone! We finally showed them who the real heroes are! The outcome was inevitable.
Looking sharp, Spidey. Keep up the good work.
Get up, kid! You're not done yet. I'm good. I can keep going.
That's the spirit, Spidey. Keep it up.
Good counter, webhead.
See? I told you that weave would work.
Well done, kid. We make a great team. Woohoo! Yeah! Come on, push it! Feel the burn, webhead. You got this. One more rep. Yeah! Keep it up, Spidey. You got this. Rematch announcement. Prepare for the second confrontation.
The joke's on you, Batman!
And the new champion by knockout. I told you I was unbeatable. All right, gentlemen, shake hands and come out fighting.
I'm gonna enjoy breaking you, bug.
Let the match begin.
You're going down, Spidey. That all you got, tough guy? All right, break it up. Get back to your corners. All right, keep your hands up and come out swinging.
Don't worry, Webhead. This will only hurt a lot.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event. Kicking off round one, we have Spider-Man versus the Clown Prince of Crime.
Is that all you've got? You're slipping, Spider-Man.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner and still champion, Spider-Man!
Look at the speed of the counter. A huge uppercut connects. You almost had me there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, men, watch your heads. Keep it clean.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
by overwhelming victory, your new champion, Spider-Man. Hey, you all right? Are you still with me? Ugh, Batsy, we need some help over here now.
And the winner by knockout in the 4th round is your new champion, Spider-Man.
And the winner, by way of pinfall, the undisputed champion, Spider-Man. I couldn't have done it without my mentor, the Hulk.
You earned it, Spidey. We make a great team. The arena is united tonight to celebrate our champions, Spider-Man and the Hulk. What an incredible victory.
We are the champions!
You guys are the best. Thanks for coming out.
Hulk, smash that like button.
Thank you all.
Now, always time out for me.
We make a good team. The best.
Yeah, we really cleaned up the city tonight. Time to rest. That's my boy. You really showed them.
We showed them, Hulk. We're the champions.
Here you go, one small espresso.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
I think this latte art is my best one yet. Coming right up. Cups are ready. Honestly, the dry cleaning bill for this suit is astronomical.
Try fitting into a normal-sized shirt, kid.
Fair point. More coffee? So I said, look, if you want these dishes clean, you gotta get the angle just right, even with the gauntlet.
You are unbelievable.
Best story ever.
We should check out that cafe. Their reviews are amazing.
Yeah, maybe they have something green on the menu.
Lead the way, web slingers. Just try to keep up.
Wow, did you see that?
Keep your eyes peeled, web slinger.
He's always finding something.
So if we launch from here... Wait, what if we use the Statue of Liberty?
Strong choice.